Initial intention with the UAV program was to investigate crash scenes primarily on the interstate. So whenever you have an interstate crash occur, it causes a closure. That closure, every 4 minutes you get a mile backlog of traffic.
When we have queued traffic, we increase the rate of crashes by approximately a factor of 24. So we're using drones to reduce the time spent documenting a crash scene. We can quickly fly a crash scene, typically in the order of 3 to 5 minutes.
As you are flying, you collect images every 2 seconds. You put it in a software, and then within a couple of hours you have a digital 3D model. You can use it to print a 3D model, and then based on the analysis they can recreate the dynamics of the cars during the accident.